The Rack Shop is proud to present this Toyota Highlander that we've just installed the Yakima CoreBar BaseLine base roof rack system. So this happens to be the bare or naked roof model. So this does have connection points in the roof, you can see with those panels. However, this system bypasses those and clamps onto the vehicle's door frame. So this is utilizing Yakima's CoreBar, 50 inches in length, the small bar. The BaseLine tower, which comes in a set of 4. And then the vehicle-specific fitting kit, Base Slip BC130, both front and rear in this case. So crossbars are set at 32 inches center to center, and the overall weight carrying capacity for this roof rack is 165 pounds evenly distributed. So some model Highlanders come with a chrome flushed rail. Again, this happens to be the bare or naked roof model. So for more details, pictures, and pricing, please click on the link in the description below. This does fit Highlanders from 2014 through 2019. That should be in the title as well, but again, if you click the link in the description, that'll take you back to our website where you can see all the pictures we took, more details on the rack, pricing, and how you can order. So that's just a quick walk around on this vehicle. For any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, click that link in the description below. But like always, thanks for watching.